this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that I have right now. And I am doing a special tour. This was a total impromptu tour, and it's going to be of the Oscar Mayer Wienermobile. They rolled up into the parking lot that I'm doing work in, and I just was like, hey guys, can I do a tour of your Wienermobile? And they said yes. So guess what, guys? We're gonna get a tour of this right now with Amanda and Luke, which are driving it. This is hilarious. Oh my goodness. Introduce yourself.
Okay, hi, I'm Miles of Smiles Mandy, aka Amanda.
Wait, what?
Yeah,
you didn't even tell me all this.
Yeah, we all have our hot dog names, so that's my hot dog name, alias Amanda. Miles of Smiles Mandy, I go by both.
Miles of Smiles?
Yes.
What's Luke's? We can ask him. We're gonna ask him because that's
You'll
funny.
laugh at his. His is
Okay.
funny.
Luke, is anybody inside?
You want to walk in with me?
Sure,
Let's go.
yeah.
All right, we're gonna go inside.
Here
Oh my goodness. By the way, there's like a Lamborghini style door that opens up this way, which is really cool.
Yeah, here's
Super
the
duper cool. This is the Wienermobile now. What's up, Luke?
Hey, how's it going? I'm Lunch Meat Luke.
Lunch Meat Luke?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Dude, you can't make this stuff up. We're inside the Wienermobile, the one and only.
Oh yeah.
Well, there's like a couple, I guess, right?
Oh, there's 6, but it is, yeah.
Okay, the one out of 6 only.
Yeah, there you go.
Wienermobile, and there's like, okay, I gotta sit down on the floor here because my legs are shaking. You guys have like a sky that's painted on the ceiling.
Oh yes, it's always sunny in the Wienermobile.
Oh, do you guys have these lines like prepared?
We've showed people before.
I was gonna say, people ask a lot of the same questions, so we've gotten good at answering them, but I was gonna say, it's easy enough to remember, you know, like always sunny and smiling in the Wienermobile.
Dude, that is hilarious. So I got a little bit of information out of Amanda, but you guys pretty much travel around in this thing.
Yeah, we travel around the country in a coast-to-coast weenie roast and a 27-foot-long hot dog, spreading those miles of smiles all across the country.
Yeah, that's not rehearsed.
Yeah, right.
My goodness.
Well, people, we go across the
I was
country,
gonna
people are
say-
like, what do you do? It's like, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. And
All right, I know I'm gonna get this question. How the heck do you guys get this job?
yeah, we do get that a lot. So anybody can apply online, but we were actually fortunate enough to have them recruit at our universities. So I went to the University of Wisconsin, and Amanda went to Syracuse. So they came on campus, had an info session and career fair, and weirdly enough, it was actually pretty similar to a lot of recruiting.
Okay.
Like it is a job, and so they recruited like a normal job. And after a couple rounds of interviews, they decided that we were 2 of the 12 hot doggers that they were going to pick for this year.
Yeah.
All right, so there's 2 people assigned to each Wienermobile, and you guys travel around. So does each Wienermobile have its own area that it patrols?
Yes,
I guess
it does.
patrols. I don't even know what the
patrols,
word.
yes. We tour around, like, we call them regions, so
Okay.
we're the West Coast region Wienermobile, so we pretty much go, I mean, regions are pretty loose, we travel everywhere. We actually started in North Carolina, so
Whoa!
West Coast.
We're in Portland right now, everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So West Coast, we've been calling ourselves West to East, or East to West Coast.
Okay.
But, yeah, so we've actually traveled all throughout, like from North Carolina to like zigzagging through the country. We went up to Washington, down to Las Vegas, then to LA, and now we're kind of traveling all up and down the West Coast.
What do you guys have, like a 1-year contract?
Yes.
It's a year.
Is it technically a marketing job?
Yeah, so it's a brand spokesperson position. I mean,
Okay.
it's called hot dogger, but brand spokesperson. So we do a lot of event marketing, social media, PR, kind of a lot of different areas of marketing. But a lot of that is the event, the driving around the American icon, the seeing people, the being the Wienermobile, and that's kind of what is a.
All right, you guys are gonna have to give me your information, or you can even say what your social media is into the camera, and then I'll put it on as well.
Sure. It's at Miles of Smiles Mandy with a Y, not an I.
Okay.
On Instagram.
Okay, and
Yeah, and so I am at Lunch Meat Luke on Instagram. So of course you'll see a lot of what we do between us and the other 5 Wienermobiles on like the Oscar Mayer page. But if you kind of want to check out what Miles of Smiles Mandy and Lunch Meat Luke are doing more on the West Coast, check out those pages and you can get a little bit more of a
you
insight.
forget the other 5. We're focused on the one
there you
that
go.
came to where I am doing a van build right now, which is so cool.
Yeah.
What can you guys tell me about the Wienermobile that like is super cool about it? Amanda, you told me that it was actually on like a step van chassis.
Yeah, it would be like a cab forward chassis. Other than that, we have a Chevy Vortec engine, V8 6-liter. trying to think of all the other specs that you'd be interested
Well,
in.
it is. It's. I don't know if you covered this, but it's 27 feet long.
Thank you.
And 11 feet tall.
Okay.
Of course, is 60 hot dogs long and 24 hot dogs tall.
That's how you guys do measurements.
In case you wanted to measure the rest of your vans in hot dogs.
You know,
Yeah.
like most people.
Okay. 27 feet, is that really not that bad?
It really isn't. I mean, it's big, but it's not like, we're a 55-foot long, cargo truck or whatever. So we're kind of in the middle. Like, yeah, we're pretty big, but you can also kind of, sneak into some places that's some bigger.
There are so many innuendos that are going through my mind right now that are not good.
I was gonna say, we've heard most of them.
Yes.
I'm gonna go sit in the captain's chair with you if you don't mind.
Absolutely.
It's a
So-
shot bun.
Yeah,
I'm
so
gonna
this
sit
is-
shotgun, yeah.
This is shot bun. When
Shot
it's in the
bun?
Wienermobile.
Is that what it's called?
Absolutely.
Shot
In the
bun.
This
Wienermobile.
up here is the bun roof.
That's the, oh my goodness.
Yeah, so,
I can't even get enough.
Yeah, so if we were to drive, we'd have everyone put on their safety meat belts because, safety is of the utmost importance in the Wienermobile. But
There's 6 seats in here, including the driver.
yep,
Yes.
absolutely.
So do you guys drive people around?
Yeah, that's why we're here. We actually dropped some guests off. We saw them over there and they wanted to see inside, and I was like, hey, we'll do you one better and give you a ride. And then this was their destination.
Oh my goodness. This is so awesome. What's all the electronics in the back?
It's our AV system. So we have a microphone that works, and we actually have, it's all off right now, but it plays like the jingles and everything when we're parked. If we're at an event, it kind of blasts it all over. And yes, it connects to the microphone. So if we're in a parade and we want to sit out the shot bun, sometimes we'll sing, the jingles and everything.
What do you
while
guys
we're
sing?
doing the
Do you guys sing?
Yeah, so we have the
parade.
jingles.
Not well.
Oh my
I was gonna say,
goodness.
we're not singers.
Okay.
I think the
We're jingle
people. I think the
singers.
people need to hear this.
I absolutely. You guys
Alright.
you guys aren't getting away without singing the jingle.
Absolutely. Alrighty.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, I wish I were an Oscar Mayer wiener. That is what I truly like to be. For if I were an Oscar Mayer wiener, everyone would be in love with me.
Oh
Yeah.
my
We
god.
actually have a horn that plays that too.
I just want to let you guys know that I am not getting paid by Oscar Mayer in any which way possible to do this. I literally just saw the Wienermobile. I can't believe I just said that.
Yeah.
And I was like, I need to go on because
Yeah.
that's what I do. I have to go on. I'm
When's
sorry.
the next time you're gonna get this opportunity?
When
You have
is the
to,
next
you
time
have to.
I am going to see the Wienermobile and have to do a tour of it?
I know. I'm gonna say the next time you see it, you gotta try to bust in and tell the hot doggers that you've been in there before.
Yes,
We'll
like,
do a recap of
oh man, this is so awesome. I'm sorry. Man, anything else you guys want to tell me?
We can give you a weenie whistle if you
that. Yeah, I was gonna say.
Oh,
it's got
what?
that,
Yeah, we're gonna
see
take a
this
weenie whistle.
Absolutely. So this is the iconic little piece of plastic called the weenie whistle that you only get when you see the Wienermobile in person. So pretty special.
Oh, really?
Absolutely.
Oh, hell yeah, I'm taking that. That's pretty cool. Thank you, guys.
Yeah,
Appreciate
absolutely.
you.
Thanks for coming in.
That's what I get for doing a quick little tour of this thing. These chairs are really comfortable.
Oh, yes, they are.
Yeah,
So-
especially when you're driving all over the country, it's nice to have
Yes.
comfy chairs.
Yeah, and I actually asked Amanda, I was like, you guys switch off driving? You guys said you split about 50-50.
Yeah.
you're right
So
down
does the
middle.
passenger pass out in these comfy chairs? Because it seems
Try
pretty...
not to. You
Yeah, I was
try
gonna
not. Try to
say.
get some work done. Do
Yeah.
some of the back end stuff, and also keep your eyes peeled for some cool photo opportunities. Especially being out here in the West, we pass by a lot of cool things.
A
So
lot
they're
of
on
cool
lookout
things.
for like, hey, let's pull over here and grab a picture.
Yeah, every time that we pass by something really cool on the road, we try to take a pit stop, take a little break. So we've actually gotten to see a decent amount of the national parks.
Oh, really?
We've been on the road for 3 months and been to 5 national parks.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so especially there, everyone cracks up when we pull up to Arches National Park and we're going through the the winding the winding roads into Arches, and people are laughing and
Yeah.
crying.
And somebody actually had a good question earlier. Do you guys do not cook on board?
No, so we don't have the refrigeration units or grills that are needed to cook hot dogs, but during the summer we actually have a sampling truck van that follows us around to various events and serves hot dogs.
Yep.
Do you guys cook physically, or just the people in the other truck?
The people in the other truck,
Yeah.
oh, will, yeah. I mean, we know how to, but it's more like
I mean,
we're-
it's a hot dog.
Yeah, I was gonna say, they got the roller grill. They've perfected that.
I mean, come on, you guys don't hit up football games for tailgates or college games or things like that?
Sometimes
we
hot
will.
doggers will go to go to tailgates and just bring the Wienermobile there. It's kind of honestly a lot of it's up to us where we want to go, especially we have a lot of off days and we actually use it for our personal vehicle too. So it's not just our company car.
What?
Yeah. It's not just our company
How
car.
do you drive this thing around as a personal vehicle?
So you'll see it sometimes in like the movie theater parking lot, or like, you know, outside of Target if I'm driving, because I go to Target all the time. But yeah, so you'll see it in parking lots or just kind of around town. But if you see it in some place that you wouldn't assume a Wienermobile would be, it's probably because a hot dogger is watching a movie or doing something fun.
Actually living life.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. Fair enough.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. So you guys are awesome. Again, say your names for everybody one more time.
All right, again, I'm Lunch Meat Luke.
Thank you.
And I'm Miles of Smiles Mandy.
Okay, and you guys can find them both, and I'll put both their information in the description below. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm at a loss for words. I actually have no idea what to say, and normally my audience will tell you I'm the most energetic, crazy person, and I'm so just
It's
I'm at
breathtaking.
awe.
It's breathtaking.
I
I agree.
Yes.
I mean, guys, you have to understand that I'm sitting in a large wiener mobile.
Wienermobile.
I have to say mobile. at the
Yes,
end,
absolutely.
but,
Gotta toss that in.
Yeah, and then your glove box is also another hot dog.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Everything's hot dog
Everything's
themed in the
up. There's
Wienermobile.
condiment splatters on the ground, except I don't know.
The
what
rug is a condiment splatter. Oh my
Yes.
god.
Yep, absolutely.
And then mustard, of course.
Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, all right. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Guys, I don't even know what else to say. That's it. Hopefully these two, I don't know. I'm gonna go back to my van and just cry because I want to build one of these out. I'll see you guys later.
See ya.